If the screen of your phone is freezing, I'll show you step by step how you can unlock your phone. Don't care about this, just follow this step by step, my dears. Let's go to screen of my phone to check this step by step. Please don't forget to leave a like if this step by step works to you, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down here. Oh, thank you, it works. You can't imagine how powerful your comment is. Let's go to screen of my phone to check this step by step. The first thing you need to know is when your phone freezes your screen, it is because your system crashed some item inside your phone, inside your Android mobile. We need to reset your phone. For each model of Android mobile, you will reset in different ways. In my case, you will see power button right here in your phone, and you just need to press your power button, and after that press the minus sound button. Wait for 10 seconds until it restarts your phone. If this step doesn't work for you, wait for a few seconds and try again, pressing the power button and the up button now, and wait for a few seconds to restart your phone. When your Android mobile restart, you will see the Android will be new. And after your phone restarts, you just need to update your system. And I'll show you how you can update your system, because when your phone is updated, your phone is stopped to freeze. And my dears, sorry about my English. Okay, unlock your phone like mine. Open your settings options. Phone is starting. Looking for this icon, settings icons of your phone, inside your phone, to see this main screen, okay? Scroll down until you find software update. Tap right here and tap in download and install the software update. And everything will be done. Please, my dears, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment down here and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, until the next video, and see ya!